everybody!
Hello! Hello!
Well, we're in Busch Gardens, but right now we're in Busch Gardens Tampa.
Yay!
We're doing Christmas Town, Florida style. We're going to be visiting Busch Gardens down in Tampa today. Hopefully we're going to get to see an ice show. We're going to go on their safari train ride and all sorts of other stuff. So we brought our sense of adventure. We hope you did too. And because we're season pass members and Williamsburg premier season pass members, we also get season pass.
Hello.
You have free parking down in Tampa, so essentially visiting here is free. So kind of cool. Hey, William. We are riding backwards on the tram.
We are over here at Penguin Point. Oh, you got a penguin! I love birds when they butt wiggle. I love you, birds. I found penguins.
It's a family park.
We are just totally standing here.
So we have bamboo, acacia trees, and some. The backside of the animal topiary.
Our females right here, the females have V-shaped horns, while the males have U-shaped horns. So the male is right next to that keeper truck right in the back, trying to get fed a little bit. Height and weight and whatnot because he's bigger. So he's going to stay the way he is. The left side of the truck is Daniel Black Rhino Miss Jody. This is the largest. He is the oldest. Usually giraffes are 6 feet. She was born at 5'4". She's really cute. 5'4".
Oh, she is so much taller than me.
You're good. Just hit him. I'm just kidding.
Oh no!
The Egyptian beasts are in the middle of the road. He's like, am I good? I'm like, just hit him. I'm just kidding.
Oh, hello.
Isn't she so cute? Oh, something must be cheaper than the feeling. I think that's Miss Coffee. She's not too fond of the truck. I don't think she's ever been up to the truck. But this is Cupid. That's the one you guys had. She's right over here. And she's moving right other way. So just make sure you guys stay where you're at on the side. I want to make sure Miss Tana can get nice photos of everyone. And I want to make sure I can pass out lettuce. Because I call ourselves the ice cream truck. They're only here for the lettuce. Sorry to ruin your fun. But here in the park, we do positive reinforcement. So when she gets over here, she's going to get all up in your business. So we're going to say, thank you for coming over, Miss Cupid. Thank you. So notice how I hold that lettuce nice and high above my head. And then we have Miss Petiti right here. So when she comes over, I'm going to give her a piece if Cupid will let me. There you go. All right. So I'm going to start on this side of the truck. You guys just hold it nice and high above your head. All right? And then we're going to do a long sides, all right? High above your head, because they do eat out of trees.
I was gonna say you couldn't even hold it high because he was already trying to get it.
There you go. What if I just stand on one side of the truck? Impatient giraffe. Yeah. They don't know what personal space is. So what you guys... Alrighty. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Thanks. They are so now we're just going to go into line. Does anyone want to try the whole method? What? Yeah. Cool. Alright. So you come right over here. I'll let you go first. Alright, hold by the roller coaster.
I like the way she's chewing. It's like
You can watch her swallow. She's our pet, so she swallows it, brings it back up, and then alrighty, we're good, Chris. Watch your head, because she does not watch hers. Nice.
Nick, you want to?
Do you want to hold your hand out?
Sure.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cute.
They eat about 17 hours a day.
How much time? Okay, I heard that.
Here you go. She's like, I've had enough. I don't want to compete against this lady. Yes.
Nick, can you take the camera?
Their tongue's going to be about 16 to 18 inches long.
Hi guys. I want to do it.
Go to the selfie. Let me show you everything.
I gotta hide it.
Alright, yeah, you're going to hide it. So you're going to stand right against this wall right here, and you're going to hold it right here, right? And you're going to take the photo like this, right? So you might want to take it on video, because she is very fast. I don't know. Video? Alright, you got to go fast, because she's very quick. Get it?
Yep.
Kind of.
Part of it.
Anyone else want to take a selfie?
I know.
Oh, he got it. You want to do it?
My turn? I'll try.
Don't hold your hand out like a bowl, and I'll let you give this one. She's a pig.
That's awesome.
That is Tiza. She's our leader. I call her. She always looks sad. She has a tornado pattern on the front of her chest. Also, she's really dark. There's our two babies here. That's Quinn and Angel. Angel was born in December, so she's about to turn 1 year old. And her mom is a female.
Inside the tree at all times. Walking in a winter wonderland. Walking in a winter wonderland.
If you said that to me, I actually
There's a bunny with the antelope. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride open sleigh.
Nice job, everybody. Nice job.
Yeah, Penguin Point. And
What about
With all the people.
we're gonna take a look at the light up ones.
I wonder if they're pretty proud of them. Posture.
So it is very dark, but you can probably see it is very pretty because it's blue and white lights everywhere. And I'm going to show you the doorway to Nature's Kingdom. It's like a fluorescent blue and white lights. We are heading to get in line for the ice show because we were told to get in line about an hour before so we can get a good seat. We have some cool nutcrackers. That one has a giraffe on its head.
And that one has an elephant.
And that one has an elephant. And you probably know now that Bubbles, but that we are now giraffe kind of people.
Yeah.
Never knew I'd be a giraffe person.
Well, I mean, they're just horses with long necks and cooler stripe patterns. You know.
So I want to ride cheetah hunt.
Definitely love all the photo opportunities around the park. Don't really have time for them, but it's wonderful.
So it is very crowded over here, and rightfully so. There is a light show that comes periodically. We just got off of cheetah hunt, and that was really fun. I love the ride.
Sing we love Christmas, no, sing we give. Sing a grateful praises to the babe so dear. Ding dong, that is their song with joyful ring, all caroling. One seems to hear words of good cheer from everywhere, filling the air. Oh, how they pound, raising the sound, doing the doubt, telling their tale, gaining a ring while people sing songs of good cheer. Christmas is here, Merry, 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 Merry Christmas, Merry, 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 Merry Christmas.
hope you've enjoyed the Carol of the Bells light show. If you missed any part of it or would like to see it again, the show begins every 15 minutes throughout the night. Merry Christmas from your friends at Christmas Town. And don't forget, the Serengeti Overlook Restaurant is open for your holiday dining pleasure.
Glowing zebra. Take a look at Pantopia. Wow, it's gorgeous. Enjoy it.
Sorry. Yeah, enjoy it. There's not really that many lights.
I know.
If anything, you can see the channel. Or the tunnel. The tunnel of lights. That's some starfish. And then nothing.
3-foot wolf and 1 delicious cookie. I love the decorations in here.